Hi class. Today we'll see one more class that is on exponentials and logarithms. So you already know what are exponentials. In your previous classes you have studied about exponentials, and in this class we'll discuss more about logarithms. Logarithms also you have an idea, but here we have more prolonged in the topic using some logarithmic identities. So actually what is the need of logarithms, that we'll see. What is the use of logarithms we'll see first now in this class. See exponentials. I'll take one example. See 2 power x is equal to 8. If 2 power x is equal to 8, find x value. In this problem we can find easily x value. How means solution 2 power x is equal to 8. 8 is there, you express 8 as powers of 2. Means express 8 as exponential form of 2. That means 8 you can write as what? 2 cube. We have identity in the exponents, that is if bases are equal we can equate the powers. If bases are equal then we can equate powers. So using this identity I can write x is equal to 3. So in this way I can find the x value. We'll see one more example. If 3 power x is equal to some 9, find x value. Yes, here also you can find, because 3 power x is equal to 3 square, bases are same, equate powers, x is equal to 2. Fine. But check in this case, if 2 power x is equal to 5, if 2 power x is equal to 5, find x value. Now in this case finding the x value is little difficult. Why? Because 2 power x is equal to 5 we cannot express in the exponential form of 2, because 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, but 5 cannot be expressed as the exponential form of 2. So we cannot get the x value. Then in this case how to find x value? So for this type of problems we require logarithms, right? So we'll discuss now logarithmic identities and how to find these type of values also we'll discuss, right? But we know this will be in the x value will be in the between 2 to 2.5. Why? Because if 2 power x is equal to 4, x will become what? 2. If 2 power x is equal to 8, x is equal to what? 3. 2 power x is equal to 5. 5 is nothing but between 4 and 8, no? So therefore x value also will be become what? Between 2 and 3. But exact value of x value we don't know using the exponentials. To know the exact value of 2, we are going to use the logarithms. So that is the use of logarithms in our mathematical subject, right? So now we'll see logarithmic form and exponential form. How to convert logarithmic form to exponential form to logarithmic form. See, b power x is equal to a. This is what? Exponential form. This is exponential form. Now how to convert this exponential form to logarithmic form means the value will become log value. What is the value here? A. That will become log value. Base will become base of log, and the exponent value, the power, will become the answer. This is what? Logarithmic form. Right? Are you clear? This is exponential form. How to convert the exponential form to logarithmic form means the value will become log value, base will become base as it is, and power value will become, exponent value will become the answer. See now examples we'll see. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. This is exponential form. This exponential form we need to convert into logarithmic form. How? The value will become log value. So that means we need to write here 8. And the base we need to write as it is, log base. And the value is what? 3. So how we are going to read this means log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. How to read this? 2 cube is equal to 8. How to read this? log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. So this way we can write logarithmic form to exponential form, and even exponential form to logarithmic form also. How we can write exponential logarithmic form to exponential form? See, log 4 base 2 is equal to 2. This is logarithmic form. This logarithmic form, if you have confusion, I will take 8 here, or I will take 16 and I will take 4. Log 16 base 2 is equal to what? 4. This is logarithmic form. This logarithmic form we need to convert into exponential form. How to convert? The base will have what is the base here? 2. That base we need to take as it is, and the log answer will become the power. This is the power, and the log value will become the answer. Right? This is the general form, and these are the examples. So in this way we can convert logarithmic form to exponential form to logarithmic form. So what is the use of logarithms? We are going to find the exact values of the exponents. The values, the problems which cannot be solved in the exponentials can be solved using logarithms. I already told 2 power x is equal to 5. Finding x value in using using exponentials is difficult. But finding x value using logarithms is easy, because we have a logarithmic table. Using that logarithmic table, we can find the exact value of x. Clear? So in this way we can convert logarithm to exponential to logarithm. Next class we'll see further about logarithms. Now your homework is complete your FN of exercise 1.1 and 1.2 also. 2 exercises you are going to complete. Exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2 is your homework. Thank you.